Welcome back to my channel inside Arsenal FC. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Thank you. Today we will quickly look at the circulating rumor for the past 24 hours about Arsenal managerial position. Rumor has been circulating since yesterday about XAVI becoming Arsenal's manager. So let's quickly look at the possibilities of XAVI becoming Arsenal manager, replacing Mikel Arteta if he goes trophyless again this season. Here are some reasons why Arsenal might consider XAVI as their manager. Number 1, tactical acumen. XAVI is renowned for his exceptional tactical knowledge gained from his playing days under Pep Guardiola at Barcelona and his current managerial experience at Al Sadd and Barcelona. Number 2, philosophy alignment. XAVI's footballing philosophy, emphasizing possession-based football, pressing and developing young players, align with Arsenal's traditional values and current vision. Number 3, leadership and charisma. XAVI possesses strong leadership qualities, charisma and communication skills, which will enable him to inspire and motivate the Arsenal squad. Number 4, youth development. XAVI has a proven track record of developing young players, which will be beneficial for Arsenal's talented youth academy graduates. Number 5, competitive edge. XAVI's experience in managing high-pressure situations and competing at the highest level will bring a winning mentality to Arsenal. Number 6, long-term vision. XAVI's appointment will represent a long-term investment in Arsenal's future, as he will be committed to building a sustainable, successful project. Number 7, attracting top talent. XAVI's reputation and connection within the football world will attract top players to Arsenal, enhancing the squad quality and competitiveness. Number 8, the last one, Mikel Arteta's successor. If Mikel Arteta were to leave Arsenal, XAVI will be an excellent candidate to succeed him, given their similar footballing philosophies and value. What is your thoughts concerning this rumor? Or as an Arsenal fan, do you want XAVI to really replace Arteta after his trophyless season for many years? Please drop your thoughts at the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.